सुमित उल्टी उल्टी आ रहा है, उल्टी आ रहा है. And people are coming in wrong way. They are coming in wrong way, guys. Be safe, wear your helmet. Somebody is waiting for you at your home. Your mother, your father, your family, your loved ones. I made a huge mistake, guys. I made a blunder. Guys, I'm not feeling well at all. It's so freaking hot. तबीयत खराब लग रहा है. चलो चलो. सुबह 5:30 बजे निकले थे. It's 2 o'clock now. 6 बजे 5:30 6 बजे निकले. चाबी चाबी. Guys, I'm feeling sick. I'm literally feeling sick. Weather is too bad. I don't know, मैंने खाना तो ठीक खाया था. मैंने थोड़ा पूरी सब्जी खा लिया, पानी भी पिया था ठीक ठाक. कंटिन्यूसली पानी पी रहा हूँ मैं. ग्लव्स भी नहीं पहन पा रहा हूँ मैं, इतना हालत ख़राब हो रहा है. मैंने जैकेट का चेन भी खोल दिया. Guys, I want to give you a small tip. I was not making the video, but I thought that you might feel the same situation when you are out in highway and due to the heat you start feeling sick. Do not use cold water and drink it. Do not put cold water onto your head immediately, because एक तो टेम्परेचर बहुत गर्म है आपका अंदर, ऊपर से अगर ठंडा पानी डाल दोगे तो it's very very dangerous. And try to drink normal water as much as possible in these hot conditions. मैंने बहुत पानी पिया. My head is paining like anything. And people are coming in wrong way. They are coming in wrong way, guys. This is the fucking highway, and people have the audacity to come in the wrong direction. See, they keep on coming. Bloody nonsense. I normally am not so hyper, but what do you do when it's a service lane and people keep on coming in wrong direction, that too at high speeds, and bikers without helmets, whatever. And guys, after reaching home, don't ever go to the washroom and take a bath immediately. Let the temperature calm down. You calm down first. Let the heartbeat come to normal. Let the temperature be a little bit less in your body. Let the heat go away. And then go to washroom and take a bath. Otherwise, if you go and take a bath in a cold shower like this, it's too bad. I feel like I'll be passing out. Shit. एक मैंने गलती किया था, रात में ठीक से सोया नहीं था. I slept at 1 o'clock and got up at 5 o'clock. Just 4 hours of sleep. Not even 4 hours. 3.5 hours, I guess. 3.5 hours of sleep, and then long rides, working in the hot sun, because I had to shoot 2 videos which was very urgent and I had to shoot it on Sunday. Yes, I had no other way out other than shooting the video today. I'm sorry guys, I cannot speak more loudly. I hope I am audible enough. I hope the camera is capturing everything. I'm just another thing guys, drink as much as juice as possible, and if you are a smoker, try to smoke less when you are out in the hot sun when you're working. That will even make your body much more drier. And try to get some fresh air. Like हाँ, मुझे पता है हम लोग राइडर से जैकेट पहन के हाईवे पे चलाते हैं, बट when you are out of your limit, when limit touch हो जाता है, try to open the chin of the jacket, get the atmospheric air, natural air when you are riding. Let the air let the air flow through your body. That will help you, to get some energy back. Coconut water is an excellent choice at this moment. Use of Glucon-D or glucose will really help you. I made a huge mistake guys. I made a blunder. Should have gone home by now. This is not acceptable. It's my mistake. I accept it. I should have taken proper precautions. Oops, sorry. And in this situation your brain won't work 100%. That is needed when you are riding on highway. Guys, I need to stop. Sumit, ulti aa raha hai. Stop. Guys, আমার ব্যাগে জল আছে জল কিছু রুই হচ্ছে মাথা জল দিতে নেই বেশি अभी पानी पिया, बहुत तबीयत खराब लग रहा है, बहुत, हम दोनों का हालत ख़राब हो गया. हीट बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत ज़्यादा हीट है. ऐसे ये गलत हो गया, ऐसा करके नहीं आना था. अलग से शूट करो, अलग से राइड करो, दोनों एक साथ. एंड वी वर थिंकिंग अबाउट द नेक्स्ट शूट, राइट. मर जाते, आज मर ही जाते. विंटर्स में ठीक है, बट इन दिस सिचुएशन गाइस, ट्रस्ट मी, आई कांट explain you how much we are working hard for this channel. क्योंकि हर दिन व्हीकल अवेलेबल नहीं होता. And anyhow every alternate days vlogs will be coming into Automania guys. Anyhow, I don't care how, by hook or by crook, I'll give everything to this channel. I'll give every ounce of my sweat to Automania guys, and I am giving that. I want your support, I want your love. I know it's really tough guys, really tough in this hot sun, shooting day in and day out. Normally the average shooting of channels will be around one video a week or 2 videos a week, but for me it's around 4 videos a week, because Saturday Sunday 2 videos come every day. Saturday Sunday 2 videos will be coming. Then when on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. So that's the frequency of my vlogging, 4 vlogs a week, and that too not normal vlogs guys, because when I'm doing a review, the editing the time you need to give for editing is so much, almost 6 hours in editing. Then I need to download it from the software, then upload it, and so much work guys for one video. At least 10 hours of dedicated work at least 10 hours of dedicated post-production work that makes a single video. Ride reviews are easy, it will take me 2-3 hours, but normal shooting for a bike review. It's so tough. It's so tough, guys. I need your support. And if you like what we do, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Automania. So the takeout from this video is never ever go out for a ride, and for a long ride, or when you're having a long day, that in hot sun. Never go out, first of all, without having, I'm feeling to vomit once again. Never ever go out for a long day without having proper food first, and without having proper sleep. That is so important, guys. You should have proper sleep. That helps to keep a very clear vision and helps your brain work 100%. I hope you guys are liking the content. If you like what we do, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Automania, guys. We are a family. We are yet to reach we are yet to reach a big family, actually, but I believe we together as a team, as a family of brothers and sisters of Automania, can reach the heights and can really make informative videos for this channel, so that you can take out some information from each and every video of mine. This video should not be just like normal vlogging, going out, coming in, hello, hi, having fun. No, guys, I try to make all the vlogs informative. If you see my vlogs, my channel reviews, bike reviews है, वहाँ पे तो details है ही है information, but normal vlogging में भी मैं जितना हो सकता है मेरा tips, मेरा experience मैं आपसे शेयर करना चाहता हूँ, and I do share every vlog, ताकि आप लोग you take out something out from this vlog. आपका 10 या 15 मिनट जो आप दे रहे हो उस चैनल के लिए, वो वेस्ट ना जाए, guys, because time is precious, guys. Time is money, है ना? And I love you all, and I think I have some bad news, because सामने I think हो रहा है बारिश. I need to reach home ASAP, क्योंकि अगर बारिश में भी भीग गए तो खेल खत्म, guys. Yes, it's raining, guys. अब यही बाकी था यार. Come on, not again. No, guys, एक तो तबीयत इतना खराब है. Oh my God, ये डिवाइडर सडनली आ गया. वो ट्रक के पीछे था. I couldn't see whatever. So you have to be 100% aware when you are on highway, जो कि मैं अभी नहीं हूँ. मैं बहुत calmly और 80 के स्पीड से, स्लो स्पीड से मैं I'm trying to reach back home safely, because my family is waiting for me. मेरे साथ सुमित भी है, उसका भी तबीयत बहुत ही ख़राब हो चुका है, guys. I can't even speak. Guys, let me know how did you like this vlog. I know I was not in my full energy, nor with that enthusiasm, because I'm really sick. I just want to reach home safely, guys. I can't see properly. My hands are literally shaking. I can't speak. As I always say, be safe. Safety first. Wear your jacket, guys. Riding gears when you're on highway trips. And oh my God, I'm passing out, guys. I'm passing off. Shit, why the fuck did I leave home today? I should have left from the ride earlier with my team. I did a huge mistake. Guys, I will end the vlog here. I can't speak anymore. Let me know how did you like today's small vlog. I felt really sick, guys. I'm sorry I couldn't speak much. Okay, I'll just cheer you up a bit. It's a little bit revving. So, as I always say, wear your helmets when you're riding, wear your seat belts while driving, and never drink and drive. फ़ोन पे बात करते हुए बाइक मत चलाना, गाड़ी भी मत चलाना, and be as safe as possible. Don't be like this ma'am without helmet. Don't be, guys. Safety first. Somebody is waiting for you at home. Please, please, please be safe. Wear your helmet. Somebody is waiting for you at your home. Your mother, your father, your family, your loved ones. So on that note, I will end this vlog. This is Purushottam Banerjee. You are watching Automania. Signing off. Ta-da.